Hey everyone, so haven't been a cooking one in a while. I can't really count the popcorn from last night, even though it's fucking delicious. It's not that deal fire. If you haven't seen it, go look at it because it's just. But anyways, I'm gonna give you a hint of what I'm gonna make. It's steaming already. Oh, this is gonna come out so good. I can already tell. All right, it's not a secret, but we're making chicken taquitos con arroz y frijoles. And then I'm gonna make my salsa that everybody loves so much and some guacamole. But we're gonna put the little sliced avocados up on top. So dinner's gonna be delicious tonight. Here we go. Oh, and this is why I'm chunky for life, because I cook all this damn food, right? But we're gonna dance because I'm in a dancing mood while I'm cooking, because I love to dance and cook and have a few drinks. Get ready for a fun one.
Saturday, it's a Saturday, it's a Saturday, it's a Saturday, Saturday, it's a Saturday, Saturday, it's a Saturday. Back once more with the wall up in the score. Sponsored by the rip shit and make you rock your hip. Revival of the roller boogie in a rickin' shit to make you think about the time we spoke fun instead of fight. Yo, slip your butt to the fix of this mix. Force that briefcase, it's time to let loose, cause you work like heck to get the weekend check. So unfasten that sneaker on your neck. Connected like a vibe from the wheel to the foot. Come on everybody, get the funky outlook.
5 days you work, 1 more day to play. Come on everybody, wear your roller skates today. It's Saturday, 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 it's Saturday, Saturday, it's Saturday, Saturday, it's Saturday,
Now as you pump your fists, I reminisce to a bounce rock skate roll fest to impress. Hey pretty diamond, do you like the way I'm dressed? Ooh, keep the faith and be my mate, cause all we need is feet. But promote the hustle cause it keeps me thin. No need to talk, look, you just walk in. Yes, man. So kick the wham on this. Oh, Mr. Sprinkler, Mr. Sprinkler. Wet me for one, Mr. Sprinkler. I'm eating high five and a out comes the body, following the one idea, it's clear. Rattle to the roll, hold back up the track, grab your roller skates, y'all, and let's zip on by. Zippity doo, now let's zip on by. Feet on the weed and we're feeling high. Sun is on thick and the cheese is rolling thick. Come on, it's no time to hide. Season is twist, spinning and winning. No hack and sack, let me in. Spill on the bottom away, but it's okay. It's a Saturday. Now let's all get baked like Anita.
Watch Mr. Lawn, don't look at the Peter.
Delicious.